Sanbonan bafowethu. UBonga, we're back in the banger. I have no words to define it bafowethu. DJ Warras. There's something that is deteriorating the moral fabric of our beloved country. Khotso, I've known DJ Warras since I was a student at UJ though.
Oh, you was a student at UJ?
Yeah. And then I achieved to go UJ, I think it was the Academy of Sound Engineering. Yeah. Warras used to call me my son. Every time I'm on our bongs, my son. You remember Warras Nabuasi Zulu dog? He spoke more Zulu than he did. And it was a shocker because Nakikala Wellen, Africans, I was like, Mikey, enige iets van je hart af, want ik heb nog niet iets geëet vir die dag hier so. 'n groen enetjie met skape, die kleinste van papiere kan doen. Baie goed asseblief, jy ou chom. Ja, maar ek is al suiwerboer, net 'n bietjie buite gebrand, ons son gebrand. And it was like, Hi, I was like, My deepest condolences go out to Warras' family. You know why? Remember, my own father was murdered, premeditated, like Gagan. I don't know why is the South African government dragging its feet in trying or fighting the scourge of armor gun laws or things that govern guns. So me now personally, I have lost an icon and I've lost a dear friend because I knew Warras personally. I don't know how many times he has taken me Asambange Audi RS4. I don't know how many times he took me to McDonald's and just chill. You understand? And he used to call me my son, and which I found, you know? Yeah, dog. And Warras' mother, Royal Solid Mama. I just pray that God's grace would. In fact, there's no words which I could define UBonga. You understand? For my deepest condolences, because we have lost a national icon, someone with so much potential and so much to give. You understand? His career was still in its prime before it. You understand? So it's saddening. You understand that these kinds of defense where we lose such vibrant individuals, active members of the society, of the masses at large, to guns, to guns. So, Mr. Warras, Autiami, from my deepest of hearts, my faith, I just pray that you may, somehow find peace and rest from this world which is being scourged by demonic spirits which are plaguing us. Amen. I couldn't have said it better, I'm afraid. Yeah. Okay.
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 Subscribe to this channel.